So now we have to print our object. You can select different commands by rotating and then clicking on what you want. So we want to print right now, so you select it and then at the middle you just click and you have it here. So you start searching for the name of your own item. It usually is at the end. So here, if we go back, we're right at the end. This is the key holder 2. We just click it again and then it will start print. Here you can see that it says the muzzle size and 0.4, the material that's going to use and the time that's going to take, about 13 hours. So you just click it and the 3D printer is heating up. The first thing that should happen is that there will be some filament at the corner of the of our surface.